Hello student, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you the solution of exercise 1.3 question number 1. Your question is, f is a function from what? The set 1, 3, 4, it goes to 1 to 5 and g is a function from 1 to 5 to 1 to 3. 1, 3 be given by f is equal to within curly bracket ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1 and z is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. You have to find out the value of GOF, means composite function GOF. So here you see the function how it is defined. F is a function from this set. It's a finite set, it goes to this one, right? So your first set is 1, 3, 4 and the second set, that is the codomain, is 1 to 5. The codomain of F is same with the domain of Z. Okay, so we can draw and then after that it goes to 1, 3. So we can draw an arrow diagram. With the help of arrow diagram also we can do the solution. After that, first let us try to clear the question. I'll give you the solution now after that. So f is a function. It contains this element. What does it mean? First ordered pair 1, 2 means what? 1 is related to 2. That means the image of 1 is 2, the image of 3 is 5, image of 4 is 1. And in this function, image of 1 is 3, 2 is 3 and also 5 is 1. We have to find out GOF. So I am writing the functions with the help of figure also. I'll explain it. First write down the given things, the functions with the domain and the codomain and the elements present in the function. Okay. After that, as you have to find out the GOF, first definition, with the help of definition I had explained here. Okay, first by the definition of GOF, first you have to take the element of the first set because your function is GOF. So your first domain is the domain of F, then this is the domain of Z, and after that the last set 1, 3. Okay, so here 1, first element is 1, so you have to consider GOF of 1. That means in the place of X we have GOF of 1. So GOF of 1 by definition what? Z of fx. So it will be what? Z of f of 1. Now you know the value of f of 1. What is f of 1? 1 goes to 2. So f of 1 value is 2. So it becomes z of 2. Then you go to this because this function is this one. So z of 2, this means 2 is related to what? 3. So z of 2 is equal to 3. Do you understand it? Okay, I'll give you next one. GOF of 3. Why 3? You see this one is 3. So now you see z of, by definition it will be z of f of 3. Clear? F of 3 means go to this one. 3 related to 5. So f of 3 value is 5. So this is z of 5. Z is this? Z of 5. Now you go to z function. Z of 5. 5 goes to 1. So the value is 1. So z of f of 3 is 1. That means what? 3 is related to 1. After that, z of f of 4. By definition, it will be z of f of 4. It is known to you because the function definition of GOF is what? GOF of x is z of f of x. G of f of 4. 4 is related to what? 1. So z f of 4 is 1. Here I am written all these things. Z of 1. Z of 1 means what? 1 goes to 3. So z of 1 is 3. So what are the result we have got in GOF? GOF. The first element 1 is related to 3. So 1, 3 is the first ordered pair. Then we have 3, 1. Then we have 4 is related to 3. So 4, 3. So this is your GOF. Let us do the solution by using arrow diagram also. Okay. So in this case of arrow diagram, I am writing the same question again but draw the arrow diagram. This is your first set which contains 1, 3, 4. Second set 1, 2, 5. This one, right? Z started from this 1 to 5. So this is Z 1 to 5 and it goes to 1, 3. So this is your function f and this is the function Z. Diagram it makes you Z. So after that I have written this one, elements present in the function. That is what? 1, 2. 1 is related to 2. Arrow diagram. 3 with 5. 3 with 5. 4 with 1. 4 goes to 1. Then here we have to see this Z. 1 with 3. 1 with 3. 2, 3, 5, 1. Okay. Now see the diagram. 1 goes to 2. Then 2 goes to what? 3. So by this GOF, 1 related to 3. So 1 ordered pair we have got 1, 3. This one you see. Next let us start with 3. 3 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 1. So ultimately 3 related to 5 and 5 to 1. That is 3 related to 1. So 3, 1 is the next ordered pair. After that 4 to 1 and 1 to 3. So 4 related to 1, 1 related to 3. That means 4 related to 3. So 4, 3 is the next ordered pair. Is this clear? From the arrow diagram, if you make it clear, then we can do it like this. One more thing, arrow diagram, you may do the solution by using arrow diagram also. Thank you.